The other repair I got to do today is this back window here. It will go down with the switch, but not back up. I reckon that button's bad, so when I was at the junkyard I grabbed another one. Real pain in the ass to get out. But what I ended up having to do is pry up this side. There's a zip tie on the back of that holds that into place. Break that zip tie and then pull it out through the front. Now the problem with that is I damaged on the junkyard car trying to get it out. But there's a star I don't know if I have that size, but what I reckon is if I take that off, this whole little panel here will come off. So that's what I'm going to try. I will get started on that and I'll be back. The mosquitoes have found me and I'm delicious. Okay, I got the screw out. Can't lose that one. That's important. Okay. Gotta leave it up there. I'm losing my mind. There it is. And like I said, when I was at the junkyard, I had to basically pry this side up and it popped. Just like that. I'm going to try it there. Oh, that's exactly what I needed to do, I think. So how do I get it out of that? Oh well. That gives me tons more working room than just pulling it back like I did at the junkyard. If we look in here, you're going to see that... This one's had the zip tie already pulled off. It's already been replaced once. But basically I'm going to cut that off right there. I'm going to pull these wires up and strip them. Put the new doodad on. And then slide it into place. Or not. I bet that comes off. Let's investigate. It looks like, if I can find the right spot, ha, look at that. Look at that. No cutting and splicing required. Let me do this in front of the camera. There's a little black dot right there, which seems to be a catch. Okay, so here's the one I got from the junkyard. And it only goes on one way, which is nice. Haha, window's fixed. Hells yeah. Hells yeah. I was making that so much harder than it needed to be. Oh, I'm upside down. Sorry. Alright, so I'll show you here. There's a little tab right here. I pushed it down with my screwdriver, which released this little clip, which let me pull that whole thing off. No wire cutting, no splicing, none of that junk. Now I just got to figure out which way's up. That way's up. And then slide it back into the hole while I set the window off 4,000 times. And then it clicks into place. Sweet. And then you have to line up this little plastic tab with that hole, and there's one down here too. See it? So you line those up, pop them back in, and then tighten that screw back in that we took out, and we're done. Oop, I don't know what I'm pointing at. There we go. I'll take easy repairs like that any freaking day. Done. Here's that little plastic cap that I took out. I really and truly don't believe it matters what way you put it in, just as long as you put it back in. Okay. And that little plastic cap is back on. I should probably shut the door and make sure all that shit still works. Yeah, let me do that. I've done the premature celebrating before, you know. Okay. Okay. The lock works. We have victory. And it tastes sweet. Sweet, sweet victory. Cool.